Xenia Station, Xenia, Ohio. Wait, I've said that before, haven't I? Oh, deja vu. Over by the caboose. Okay, we're back here at Xenia Station for our third and I guess our final day here. This has been a wonderful fun. I'm glad we really found this place. Done a couple of trails out of here. There are 2 more to go. We have the Prairie Grass Trail and the Jamestown connector, I think it's called. We're going to try to hit them both today. I tried looking up information, but not a lot of history I could find this morning. So I guess we're just going to have to find out on our own. Let's find out. Let's go for a ride. All right, my dear. Shall we start with Prairie Grass, or should we start out with the Jamestown connector?
Flip a coin. I don't know which one.
Now that way goes to Little Miami. We did that. And I don't know. And it's going to be more, what am I going to find first? Ohio to Erie Trail. There's a caboose over there.
Ah, another caboose.
Yeah, it looks like the trail goes that way. You know what, let's go on the trail. I think we can see the caboose from the trail.
Oh, there's more than one.
There are 2 cabooses. Caboose-eye?
Nickel plate, high-speed service, radio equipped.
They have steps to them.
You want to look at them now or when we come back?
I want to come back. They have gears sticking out. Why would there be gears inside a stylo?
I don't know.
Now, incorrectly, yesterday, day before, whenever it was, I said that the trail that we were on went to Columbus. That is incorrect. This is the Prairie Grass Trail. It's the Ohio to Erie Trail. Right now it connects all the way to Columbus. So you can ride this. I think there's a break for a couple blocks in, I think it's called South Charleston. And then when you get to Columbus, it's just a tangled mess of Christmas tree lights. Yeah, it says to London. That's a really long ride.
You're going to get wet.
And outside of Columbus, you can pick up the Heart of Ohio Trail, which we've ridden through Centerville, if you recall, and up through, was it Newark?
I'm not sure. I think it is. That sounds right.
And that will connect you up with Kokosing and others. You can go pretty doggone far. It will not take you to Erie just yet. At least not according to the map I was looking at this morning. But it looks like it's a whole lot done. It's been pretty wicked hot this week. Too hot to have a campfire, but too cloudy to have stars. And last night we watched a movie. Inside air-conditioned comfort. But even at that, we're kind of pushing our air conditioner to its limit.
Yeah, we really are. But I can't even imagine being in a tent in this kind of weather.
A lot of brave people. Today's Sunday. The campground is already very empty. We will be leaving tomorrow, Kentucky. Paintsville Lake. We always kind of laugh at the people that drive to the bathhouses and campgrounds. Set up tents and get in their car and drive to go to the bathroom. So what did we do yesterday?
We drove all around.
Yeah, we
Found the
drove
nicest stuff.
we drove around the state park, and we drove around the entire campground just to see. Normally we would do it on our bicycles, but our rear ends hurt. And as we were riding around, we noticed a shower house that was nicer than the one that's in our loop. There are multiple camping loops. This one was just a little nicer, so I pulled right in and we just showered there. So it's not like I was looking for a shower. It's not like we got in and started everything up to go to the shower. But we did indeed drive to the shower house. All right, let's do it. Tell you who. To me, this is stereotypical Ohio.
Long and straight.
You could stand here with a gun and it's just gonna fall down onto the trail. There's not a single piece of trail in Pennsylvania that goes this straight for this long.
You're right, there isn't.
However, going up into Ashtabula, the Western Reserve, man, that sucker is straight and long. Said the same thing there. You could shoot an arrow. It's just gonna go doom, doom, doom. Kind of makes me think of that James Evans trail.
Yeah, a little bit. I was
Just
trying to
because
think of what this reminds. That's it.
there's so much overgrowth here, you really can't see what's on the left or right. And as we rode around in the RV after our ride, we saw there was all kinds of beautiful countryside that went right alongside the trail,
Yeah.
but you couldn't see any of it. Just such thick growth.
For as many trees as there are, oh, this much shade.
Yeah, well, it's midday, so the sun's going to be shining straight down,
Yeah.
or straight down as it gets up here. Yeah, you would think though that with all these trees there'd be more shade. We are clear to the left, we are clear to the right. Go, go, go. Oh, hello.
Lewis Trail.
What is it?
Lewis Trail.
Huh.
We'll read the rock when we come back.
All right.
Unless you want to read it right now.
No, this is a nice trail. It's paved, smooth, but with all, you know, with the exception of this part right here,
This part's lovely.
there's not much to see. As part of a connection between here and there, pretty good thing. But to come here and ride this section just for the sake of riding this section, not so much. Got something on the trail pretty far ahead. I can't tell if it's a human, a dog, a deer, a log.
Recumbent bike.
It is a recumbent bike. Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's only a frog.
That's what it's called.
This is a good day to take your sweet time.
Yes, it is.
Hello. Now that was a happy smile.
Yes, it was.
These are really good trails for recumbent bikes too.
Long and straight.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about cars running you over.
Yeah.
You know, that's any trail, but nicely paved.
I don't know if you could go fast enough in a motorized wheelchair, but this is so smooth. You know? Maybe in the fall.
Put a Chevy 305 on a wheelchair. Yep.
We got enough time?
We got plenty of time, sweetie. They're putzing along too.
Oh, it's a long, straight trail.
And also, you notice or distinctly not notice the lack of barriers that you have to squeeze through to get onto the trail.
Yeah.
I don't think it's this one, but I think the Jamestown connector allows horses in Greene County.
Oh, nice.
So who knows, you might get to see some equestrians today.
Maybe so.
Well, we're already 5 miles into it.
Oh, we are. You want to get to 6, and that way we have 12, and then we'll try the other one?
We'll play it by ear.
Okay.
Play it by ear, see what goes on.
Oh, there we go.
Maybe we'll get something interesting.
Yeah, who knew racing.
Yeah.
That was so cool. Some of those cars didn't look real, you know? They looked like they were somebody's Matchbox car or Hot Wheels car. That one that was just long and flat and just had like the bubble where the driver sat.
Yeah, that definitely looked like a Hot Wheels. As a matter of fact, I think I had that Hot Wheels.
Well, maybe he had it as a kid and now he has it as a real car to race. I think it's cool how the leaves, like, they almost look like they fold up and we're seeing the underside of them.
Well, I've heard people say that a sign that it's going to rain. I don't see no rain clouds.
It certainly doesn't look like it, but I've heard that same thing before.
We've seen clouds move in awful quickly. Well, my dear, we are 6 miles in.
Wow, we are in the
And
prairie.
as far as, well, it's called the prairie grass. Oh, beautiful. Why don't we make this our turnaround?
Okay.
Just because it's nice,
It's nice.
but it's not very interesting, and it's all hot, hot sun.
Yeah. Let's see what number of road it is.
And I'm not,
It is Murdoch Road.
Murdoch Road is our turnaround. And I'm not so,
Wait, I want to check something.
yeah, I'm not so bad with the heat. It's just the direct sunlight. Turns me into Sir Francis Bacon. It wouldn't turn on before. Okay, stopped in Redstone for the Lewis Trail. She was a Dr. Lewis that dedicated 30 years of leadership to that. Almost back to Xenia Station. It's right over there. But because there are cabooses, I'm going over here. Well, I'm going to take the fact that there are steps as an invitation that we are allowed to.
I am too. This is really neat. Built
I don't think the sewing machine is original.
sewing machine?
Yeah, there's a big bed over in there.
Oh, wow. With the 2 recliners and
Yeah.
the big 60-inch television and
And they have mattresses up on the I don't even know what you call that part.
so I guess you come here and you pay to stay in these.
I guess. And so what?
This is adorable. Oh my gosh, wonder what they are going to charge for this.
Well, I do have it wired and seemingly plumbed.
Oh, there is an air conditioner. Right there.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. I wonder how much they charge.
30 amp, 50 amp.
They've got another rail over there ready for another caboose. See it?
I do.
Oh, this is so cool. You getting all this?
I am. Oh wow, this one's really done up. It's got a kitchen. Well, I didn't even see the TV.
Right here on the wall.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look in this window.
I'm guessing behind that wall is a bathroom, maybe.
Oh wow! This is look in this window because it's clear glass. So much nicer. Wow. Granite countertops. I think that one is cooler because they still have the bunks in it.
I wonder they don't have a sign.
Wow, that is so cool.
Miami scenic. Well, we go over and fill up our water bottles.
Yeah. This says it's the Little Miami Scenic Trail as well.
Yes. Okay. 13 miles to here. Yeah. I guess prairie grass is to be expected. Long, straight. Nothing wrong with it, but nothing real exciting about it either. We're going to fill up our water bottles and check out the Jamestown connector. Yeah, when I was first checking things out, I just thought we would go down to that Corwin, right out of there, find different places to park along the way. But Corwin's pretty much just as far away as Xenia is.
Really?
It is.
Xenia connects us to all these places.
I know. When
Fabulous.
I just looked for parking places, and it said Xenia Station, plenty of parking. I read that before. We are clear. Oh, hurry, hurry.
There's something attached to that before.
Look at all the bicycles up on top there.
Oh,
No, those are
wow,
motorcycles.
Motorcycles. How do you get a motorcycle on the roof?
You go really fast.
It looks like it's nice upstairs and all bricked in down.
The lower level's bricked in.
The upstairs has like new windows.
Yeah. I'm liking this part much better
Me too.
because there's shade. Oh, it's just one away. It's funny because we're only, what, a half a mile away from the prairie grass trail.
Yeah,
And we kind of look like we're back home.
yeah, we do.
It's all flat over there, and over here's all kind of wavy. Shade.
Shade. Considerably cooler.
Ah,
Oh, wow. What did we just go through?
what were those?
Flies.
Huh?
Flies.
Those were flies?
Yeah. Doesn't the corn sound nice?
Sure.
Oh, you can. It's a pretty sound.
Well, stop a minute. It's kind of like a soft surf.
Yeah. The husks touching each other. And then whenever it gets into fall and they get kind of hard, they sound even different.
They got
Nice.
they got plug-ins.
They do.
Caesar Ford Campground.
Shit, we could have stayed here and never moved the RV. these are Ford campgrounds.
Yeah.
I'm taking a picture of this.
Full hookups right on the trail. Oh, no. Oh, well. I didn't have to swap out the battery. I'd have gotten it a lot closer.
Yeah,
I don't know.
we got to see it. Oh, are you just guys all pulling off? Yes, we are.
Oh, it's not an island. It's just their shadow going past quickly. I don't know if any of this will come out or not.
Oh no. Hi guys. Yeah, you see me. That's gotta feel good.
Oh, it's not just shadow. It's a lot of mud.
I hope it's not so muddy that they're gonna get stuck. Oh, you're trying to get away from the flies too, aren't you? Yeah. Kind of cool. Don't get to see cows in the water all the time.
Not in our neighborhood.
No. Goodbye, cows.
See, there's a mile marker there. That's the only one I've seen.
Okay, forgive me, but I'm getting past the fly stuff.
Stop at the station again. Give you some water. How many did we do?
33 1/3.
33 1/3. Wow. That must be a record. We did the Prairie grass and the Jamestown connector. Hot, man. It's just hot. We're kind of whooped. And we're ready to be done. Nice trails. The prairie grass. I mean, I don't want to say anything bad about it. It's just not very scenic. It's nicely done. It's nicely paved. Just not a lot to see on the way. I think the Jamestown connector was beautiful. I'm tired. Okay, well, this is our last day for Xenia. Cool place. Time to move on. Mow day.
You might want to do another mow day.
Mow day.